Previously, I talked about when to take your breakfast shake when you do your workout in the morning. However, I didn't actually explain a few key points. So in today's video, I'm going to go through them. First, can working out on an empty stomach actually help with weight loss? So it could help with fat burning when you exercise first thing in the morning without eating. So your body actually has lower glycogen, meaning lower carb stores. So your body may actually tap into your fat storage to fuel your body and to give your body the energy faster. And this is actually often called a faster workout. And it can be a useful strategy for fat loss. However, it's not a magic fix and it actually doesn't work for everyone. Okay, so some people may find it working really well for their body, and some people may actually feel really weak and dizzy if they skip the breakfast, they don't have anything in their body working out on an empty stomach. Right. So what's very important for you is for you to listen to your body and respect what your body needs. So what happens if you feel hungry before your workout, right? Like you do your aloe, you do your tea, and you still feel very hungry. You just can't do your workout well. What can you do in this case? So if your stomach is growling before your workout, don't force yourself to suffer, okay? So you can actually have a half a serving of a shake, right? So instead of drinking the entire entire cup of the shake, do half or maybe 1/3, right? Just small amount of the shake. So yes, your stomach is not like too full. And sometimes when you have so much liquid in your body, it may actually affect your workout as well. So having a little bit of the shake would actually give you the energy, just enough energy for your workout without you feeling overly full and having too much liquid in your body for the workout. Is there an ideal time for you to take a shake after the workout? Yes. So the ideal window to drink the shake after the workout is about 30 to 45 minutes after your workout, right? So this is when your muscles are like primed to soak up all the protein and the nutrients from your Herbalife shake. So remember to drink your shake 30 to 40 minutes after your workout. And final thing is, not everyone here is working on weight loss. What if your goal is to work on muscle gain, weight gain? What can we do about the shake? What do we do with the breakfast routine, right? So if your goal is weight loss, a fasted workout, so without your shake, can sometimes help. It could help. Could be a useful strategy. But if you're trying to gain muscle, you probably want a little bit of fuel. So I would suggest maybe you want to do half a shake, or maybe some of you, depending on your body's needs, you may want to do a full shake before you train. Okay, so you can actually lift heavier. You can also recover better. Thanks for watching. Are you curious what your personalized Herbalife plan looks like? Just take my quick wellness evaluation below and you'll receive it in the email. See you next time.